Your IRS weapon with Travis Watkins is on the air. Travis is the president of the law offices of Travis W. Watkins, P.C., headquartered in Oklahoma City and Tulsa. To find out more about Travis Watkins and his unique law practice, log on to our secure website, taxhelpok.com. While you're there, order a free copy of his book, The Ultimate Survival Guide to IRS Problems, and check out Travis's videos on how to solve your IRS problems today. Now, here is the host of Your IRS Weapon, Travis Watkins.
This is Your IRS Weapon. I'm Oklahoma tax lawyer Travis Watkins. Next question, can an IRS revenue officer search my premises? This is a good one.
The easy answer is not without your consent. He has no more right to search your premises than an average citizen. However, they do have, especially with businesses, a nasty habit of coming in and kind of wandering around the floor of your business if you have a large business and employees, and talking to them and just kind of asking what seems like innocent questions, but trying to find answers. And then they talk to your secretary and they say, well, you're out, but let you sit in your office. And they will rummage through whatever is in plain visible sight. They are not able to open drawers and all that. That requires a warrant. So they will, anything in plain visible sight they can look at. Also, we need to differentiate here a small thing that we don't deal with this aspect of it. We deal with the IRS revenue officers, which is asked about. But there is the criminal investigation unit of the IRS, and that's the IRS special agents. The way you can tell the difference between the two is that a revenue officer will have a badge, and I think they're silver. The special agents carry, I believe, a gold badge, but more importantly, they carry guns.
Yeah, that's the big distinction. Revenue officer, no gun. Criminal investigations, gun.
And they have the same rights as any police officer and stuff, but still, to search your premises, any legal authority needs a warrant to search your premises or your consent, which you need to consider seriously before giving.
Yeah. CI, criminal investigations, the way that they work, they rarely take the same approach that the revenue officer does. The revenue officer is the ground trooper. He is, or she is, the one that's coming into the business or knocking on a door and really taking inventory of things to figure out how can we collect, how can we what property is out there to get. If you are involved in a CI investigation, these folks, the way that they usually operate, a lot of the referrals to CI come straight from audits, about 50% of them. So you may be dealing with an auditor, someone who is asking you for books and records to do an audit. And then all of a sudden, they're giving you deadlines. They're making demands on you, and then all of a sudden they'll go dark on you. You won't hear from them for months, and the next thing you know, you're getting contacted by one of these CI people. Is usually how that comes down. CI usually will talk to third parties before they go to the actual taxpayer themselves. So they may be talking to old business associates of yours, possibly family members, somebody else who can give them, they're garnering evidence here to make a possible prosecution. That's what they're after. If you are contacted by this person, by CI, you need to immediately and respectfully tell them that you are seeking an attorney and an attorney's advice, because it's just like the police at that point. You are in a situation where it's not equal footing, and the consequences could be dire.